Take a ride in the 2022 Countryman. The Countryman is a bright idea. 4 doors, more interior space, and positioning that evokes the rally heritage of the original Mini. This vehicle has less than 30,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: rain-sensing wipers, dual moonroof, turbocharged, heated mirrors, aluminum wheels, brake assist, stability control, tire pressure monitor, daytime running lights, 4-wheel disc brakes. If you like it online, you'll love it in your driveway. Take it for a spin today.
MINI certified pre-owned vehicles are obsessively inspected by the highly skilled MINI technicians. MINI certifies their vehicles in one of 2 ways. Both include warranty, 24/7 roadside assistance, and the assurance that your MINI has been reconditioned with 100% genuine MINI parts. Talk to your local dealer today to find out more about the MINI certified pre-owned program.